nesting season and nests. Some of the basic necessities of all living things are food, clothing, and shelter. We human beings build our shelters using different materials like grass, mud, bamboos, sand, cement, and other advanced materials. Animals find their shelter in water, jungles, caves, and on trees. Today, we shall learn about the shelters of birds. We call them nests. Birds build nests to lay their eggs and bring up their young ones. The time of the year when they start building their nests is known as the nesting season. Birds use a variety of materials to build their nests. They use organic material such as twigs, grass, and leaves, or maybe simple depression in the ground or a hole in a root or on a tree or building. They also use strings, plastic, cloth or paper. Nests can be found in all types of habitats. In some species of birds, both the male and the female birds work in pair tirelessly to build their nest. The female bird lays eggs in the nest. The eggs are incubated for a few days to a few weeks. In most birds, both the male and the female take turns in incubating the eggs. In some birds, only the female incubates the eggs. Babies emerge after breaking the eggshells. The mother and father take care of their nestlings till they start flying on their own. Let's learn about some of the amazing nests. The nest of the dove is very simple. Both the male and the female birds build the nest together. They carry pieces of hay and twigs in their beaks and deposit them in empty spaces below roofs of buildings, in barns, under bridges, etc. The bee-eaters form colonies by nesting in burrows tunneled into the side of sandy banks on the edges of rivers. Their eggs are white and they generally produce 2 to 9 eggs per clutch. The bee-eaters predominantly eat flying insects, especially bees and wasps, which are caught in the air. The Asian swiftlet makes an amazing nest. It forms a cup-shaped nest from its saliva. It finds a sheltered spot, usually on walls of caves, that are quite high up and spits repeatedly 1,000 times on it. The spit hardens to form a nest. Look at the nest of a tailor bird. Wow, it is wonderful. The tailor bird sews its own nest. It takes some large leaves and pokes holes through them. Then, using its beak as a needle and some vines as threads, it sews the leaves together to form its lovely home. The male of the Baya weaver makes its nest. The nest is woven with long strips of paddy leaves, rough grasses, and long strips torn from palm fronds. The birds use their strong beaks to strip and collect the strands and to weave and knot them while building the nests. The nests are often built suspended from palm trees or thorny trees and hanging over water bodies such as a river. This helps to protect the nest from predators. Look at the nest of horned coots of South America. They build their nests on top of a stone tower in the middle of a lake. They first build a stone tower with pebbles and stones such that the tower is above the water surface, forming an artificial island. This island is then covered with green vegetation. The pebble tower can be as much as 4 meters at the base and 1 meter in height. They refurbish their nest year after year by new green vegetation. The eagle's nest is like a fortress, huge and strong. They build nests at a height on top of trees or sides of cliffs. It takes months to build these nests. Birds use nests to protect their eggs and nestlings from predators and adverse weather. To minimize predation, birds may build nests that are inaccessible, hidden, or camouflaged. Nests may also help keep eggs and nestlings warm. Birds and human beings have had a long association. However, human activities can be harmful and have threatened numerous bird species with extinction. Some birds are kept as pets, some are hunted for food or for their feathers and other body parts. Use of pesticides in farming and predation by pet cats and dogs are also common sources of death for birds. We must be sensitive towards our winged friends.